Have you ever felt that someone's words sounded polite, but their intention felt harmful? That hidden intent is where the word malicious comes into play. This is a powerful English word that helps describe harmful intentions clearly and precisely. The word malicious means having the desire to harm, hurt, or upset someone on purpose. It refers to actions, words, or behavior done with ill will, not by accident. When something is malicious, the harm is intentional. Malicious is pronounced as malicious. It is an adjective, which means it describes a noun, such as a person, comment, rumor, or action. Let's understand this with simple examples. Imagine someone spreading a rumor they know is false just to damage another person's reputation. That rumor is malicious. If a coworker deletes important files to cause trouble, that action is also malicious. Common synonyms of malicious include cruel, spiteful, evil, hateful, and vicious. For example, instead of saying a malicious comment, you could say a spiteful comment. On the other hand, antonyms of malicious are kind, friendly, harmless, and benevolent. A kind message helps someone, while a malicious message aims to hurt. Here are a few real-life sentences to make it even clearer. She ignored the malicious gossip and focused on her work. The hacker launched a malicious attack to steal personal data. His smile hid a malicious intention behind polite words. You will often hear this word used in daily life, news reports, workplaces, and online discussions. Terms like malicious intent, malicious behavior, and malicious software are very common in modern English. Understanding the word malicious helps you describe situations where harm is done on purpose, not by mistake. It adds clarity and emotional depth to your English vocabulary. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.